Basic logic gates. Let's learn about AND gate. Hello everyone. Today I am going to start grade 8 ICT lesson 5 physical computing. This is the first video related to this video series. Before moving to today's video, please subscribe Teacher's channel and also share these videos with your friends. Basic logic gates. You know there are three basic logic gates: and, or, not. In this lesson video, we are going to discuss about AND logic gate. Right, let's discuss using example. Example 1. Getting permission from your parents to go for a trip. You should have both permission. Below table shows how you have permission. Mother's permission, father's permission, and ability to join for a trip. Yes, there are four situations. There are two inputs actually. There are four situations. In the first situation, mother not give the permission, father not give the permission. Therefore, you are unable to join for a trip because teacher asked for the permission from both parents. Let's go to second situation. Not received permission from your mother and also but you got the permission from father. Then also you are unable to join because you have only one permission. Let's go to the third situation. Mother gives the permission but father not. In the third situation also you are not unable to join. Let's go to the fourth situation. Yeah, in the fourth situation, your mother and father both gives the permission. Right, in this fourth situation, you are able to join for a trip. Now, let's convert this permission table into ones and zeros. The table using 1 for received state, 0 for not received, and 1 for able to join, and 0 for not able to join. Yes, this is your previous table, and now we are going to convert it into ones and zeros. Right? Here, not having permission, we indicate it using 0. So, in the first situation, you don't have permission from both, then you are unable to join. In the next situation, you got the permission from father. In the third situation, you got the permission from mother, but in second and third situation, you will not able to join for a trip. Let's see the fourth situation. Here, mother and father both give the permission for you, then you are able to join for a trip. Let's consider another example. The water tank in a house is to fill water without overflowing. Two valves are used to prevent water waste. Right? Here there's a house, and in this house there's a water tank, and there are two valves. Here let's consider, and there's a main water supply. Through main water supply, water filled to the tank, and there to control the water flow, there are two valves, valve A and valve B. Let's consider the table shows receive water or not from the main supply based on whether the valve A and valve B are closed or open. So, in the first situation, if A valve closed, B valve closed, then not receive water. Then A closed, B open, not receive water. A open, B closed, not receive water. We receive water when both valves are open. We receive water when both valves are open. It means our fourth situation, right? If you want to write down notes, please pause the video and write the note. Okay. Let's convert the previous Table to ones and zero. The table using 1 for open state, 0 for closed state, and 1 for received state and 0 for not received state. Here, when both valves are open only, we can receive water. It's our fourth situation. This example 1 and 2 works as an AND gate. What is it? Let's see. AND gate. In AND gate, if both expressions on left and right are true only, the output is true. If both expressions are true only, output is true. Right? Right. See the previous one. If both expressions are true, true mean 1. If both expressions are true, our output is true. That is the function of the AND gate. If both expressions on left and right are true only, the output is true. Now we are going to discuss the standard symbol we use for AND gate. See, this is the standard symbol we use for AND gate. Don't forget this, right? And next one. This is the logical expression we use for the AND gate. Here there are two inputs. We name them as A and B. Output is C. Then C equal A dot B. C equal A dot B. Here this is work as a multiplication, right? This is work as a multiplication. 0 multiplied by 0, 0. 0 multiplied by 1, 0. 1 multiplied by 0, 0. 1 multiplied by 1, 1. So this AND gate is work as a multiplication, right? Okay, now you know the symbol for AND gate and its logical expression. Then we are going to learn its truth table. Satyatavaguva truth table, right? Here you can see the truth table. This is the standard truth table. You need to remember this table, right? In AND gate, if both expressions are true only, output is true. If both expressions are true only, output is true, right? This is the AND gate truth table. And also this is the end of our video. In this video we discuss about AND gate. In the next video let's discuss about OR gate and NOT gate, right? Okay, if this video is useful for you, please put a comment below.